There's a famous quote in America. It's attributed to George Washington, sometimes Benjamin Franklin, sometimes Thomas Jefferson. It says, if I have an hour to chop down a tree, I'm going to spend 55 minutes sharpening the axe. That's what's going to happen with my 100x in 30 days plan here. And that's okay. I knew that going in, because the most important thing when you're going to scale, and if you want to scale exponentially, is you have to have your foundation set up. That's why when people say that they just created an agent and set it loose and they made 100 grand overnight, I call BS, because unless you already had the plan completely done, in which case you didn't just set it up and turn it loose, you have been spending time of your human mental capacity to prepare a plan, even if you're doing it with AI, in order to implement that plan with an AI agent. So we're in the planning process, and it's going all right. Run into some hiccups today, but one thing that I realized is all of the other apps like Discord and Telegram and WhatsApp and all these things that you can talk to the agents through are not as good as having your own custom dashboard. Now, I've been working on an app for Venturopoly for a while, and I got it mostly done to where it's usable. I was using it the whole last month, and I really enjoy it, but it's kind of a glorified life dashboard, to-do list, has goals. It's my whole life mantra, which is be, do, have, give. And I've had that for like 15, 20 years almost now. And so it incorporates all of that into those 4 categories. And it works pretty well, but it still is very manual. So now what I'm working on today is setting my agents up through API into my application. And then we're going to be able to work together that way through my app, to where I have my own customized dashboard. We're not going to be fussing with Discord and different permissions. We're not going to be using Telegram, which is annoying because you can't organize it all. My app, the Venturopoly app, organizes everything really, really well, and it's getting better and better and better. And now that I'm able to add OpenClaw agents into it, anybody's going to be able to do that. So you will be able to use this app also and add your own agents and see how it works. But I'm just doing it for myself, and we'll see. I think it's going to really help though, because a lot of the time waste in the last 24 hours has come from trying to figure out how to go back and forth with 2 different agents and different comms channels, fussing with permissions and different things that keep seeming to break between Discord and Telegram and the instances themselves, the agents. And so now I'm just putting them all in one dashboard, and I think it's going to work a heck of a lot better. So more to come. We're on day 2 of 100x my productivity in 30 days using OpenClaw AI agents. Let's go!